killing of security operatives in the southeast is a political orchestrated ploy by government to dent the reputation of the IPOB. So my people, as you know that the Janjaweed community and the Janjaweed government are trying so hard to tarnish the reputations of the IPOB. My people, but before we talk about it, you're welcome to this YouTube channel, Biafra latest update. Please do well to watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe, to turn on your post notification so that when I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. So my people, make we read directly. The Fulani's Nigerian government have created a diversion through the Nigerian corrupt media to disseminate troubling alarms and narratives that officers of the Nigerian police and military are being killed in the southeast by the indigenous people of Biafra, in brackets IPOB. A narrative played out in order to subdue and conquer the indigenous civilian population of the Biafran region. The constant massacre of the Nigerian police outfit in the southeast part of Nigeria by a sex-stacked unknown gunmen by the Nigerian media is one terror arm of the Buhari presidency. This terror sect called the Unknown Gunmen is one of the world martial plans by the political leadership of Nigeria to create unrest within the relative peaceful, law-abiding communities in Biafra land, all in a mad mid to attack the indigenous people of Biafra, in brackets IPOB, and all lawful group. Furthermore, the assertion that armed civilians are burning police stations is a blatant lie, just as the world now recognizes that the farmers/herders clashes, which were the narratives peddled by the Nigerian government through her corrupt and grossly compromised media, were lopsided reportage scripted to keep the international community away from learning the truth about state-sponsored ethnic cleansing in Nigeria's northern region, driven by the Fulani terrorists of conquest. To further fool the world, they additionally developed a force of armed herders known as bandits. The Nigerian police and military have been completely destroyed by these state-sponsored terrorists, and the government of the day has failed in its responsibility to prosecute the perpetrators to the full extent of the law. These terrorists are fully backed by the political structure of the Buhari administration. The recruitment of Boko Haram terrorists into the Nigerian military is one act of Buhari defense mechanism of terrorism. Fulani terrorists have wiped out virtually all military formations in northern Nigeria in a brutal and gruesome manner. The Nigerian government sees nothing wrong with this because the terrorists are their foot soldiers who are being armed by the Nigerian government on a regular basis. These terrorists have infiltrated the southern part of Nigeria, particularly the southeast region, in brackets Biafra land, to dismantle all police formations through the creation of the unknown gunmen. In like manner, the operations of the Fulani terrorists in the north have coincided with that of the unknown gunmen, who have consistently destroyed and killed innocent men and women of the Nigerian police, while sending Boko Haram members into the military to kill and subject innocent civilians in the peaceful southeast part of Nigeria to fear and agrimony. The Fulanis, which are a minority but has the support of the British government, are tasked with overrunning and occupying Nigeria. They come to the media to tell us how many police and military men that were being killed in the south, while the assassins are left to work freely, causing unpronounced mayhem against the same security operatives even in the north. This wanton killings of the personnel of the Nigerian police and the military has has been a norm in the northern part of Nigeria, and instead of the government to prosecute them, they unwillingly reward them with cash gifts as ransom to aid their subsequent acquisition of arms. Men and women of conscience must know that since the people of the southeast region became aware that the Fulani marksmen (terrorists) operating as unknown gunmen are state-sponsored killers, their actions have drastically reduced, if not entirely stopped. They claim that the unknown gunmen were indigenous to the south is entirely false, just like the other public so-called farmers/herders clashes, which were totally Fulani engineered. The Nigerian government is a supporter of active terrorism, and the world needs to come to terms with this glaring reality. Written by Anioke Chukwunonso. So my people, you have heard by yourself. So the Janjaweed community and the Janjaweed government are trying so hard to tarnish the name of the indigenous people of Biafra. But what we know is that this time around it's not going to succeed, my beautiful people, because we have come to stay. We have come to tell them that it is not going to work. Our eyes are open and Biafra has come to stay, no matter what they think. So therefore, let's let the world know that it is not the indigenous people of Biafra that is doing all the killings and all the burning of houses and so-called cars, but the military people. So we have to let the world know all of this. So my people, if you know that you are a freedom fighter, you stand for the truth and you stand for freedom and liberty and referendum, we are going to share this video to our friends and families for them to know that ESN is not responsible for all these allegations and back names they are struggling to hang on us. They tag the IPOB as responsible for all what the terrorists, the Boko Harams, the Fulani Herdsmen are doing, and yet we are not going to stay quiet this time around. We have decided to comfort. Biafra has come to stay this time around. No more going back. So my people, I don't know what you know about this video. I don't know what you think about the video, but I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, to turn on your post notification so that whenever I upload a video, you'll be amongst the first to be notified. Leave your comments on the comment section what you think about the video. Share the video with your friends and families. Let them know that this is what is happening. May God bless you as you support me. Keep fighting and stay strong. All hail Biafra. Freedom.